Alright, you guys. It's Wednesday now. I think it's the 22nd, March 22nd or 23rd. And it's like 12:30, 12:45. There's gas power. I want you guys to see. This is embarrassing. This is embarrassing, but this is the backyard. You know, all the rain. Look at I mean, over there in the corner way over there, they're like, pretty tall, and that way, it's just a mess. I don't even want to show the other side of it, but, yeah. I'm not gonna lie, it's overwhelming. Anyway, the sun is trying to, the sun is breaking through the clouds now. So there's a little bit of sunlight coming in, and it's still, raining. Just like sprinkling. So, anyways, God, it's crazy over there. So one thing before I, forget to mention was that, I had to go ahead and rent, a room again. So, I have a nice lady that's renting Vincent's old bedroom, and her name is Lydia, and she's 76, I think, or 77, and she's been here 2 weeks. Well, it'll be 2 weeks on Saturday, so she hasn't even been here that long. And hear the crows out there. She got COVID from us, you guys. She got COVID, so she's in her room. And, but the good thing is that she told me, she got, of course, her vaccinations, and she's had 3 boosters, so she was, you know, fully protected, and, but it still got her. On the first day of her feeling sick, by the afternoon, she was laboring to breathe, and we decided to just go ahead and call the EMT. So they came quickly within 10 minutes and took her to St. John's, and then they had her there well, she made it back home after midnight. She was able to get a cab and come home. It was after midnight, and then she told me that she tested positive for COVID. So, but she was well enough to just be sent home. So, anyway, I didn't mention that the other 2-3 videos ago. So, yeah, well, this is what my backyard looks like. I don't know. It's overwhelming, like I said. Let's walk to the front. Oh, maybe I can show you guys. So I painted, here, look at, see how much time I have before the camera turns off. Oh God, hold on. So I painted. I I don't know if you remember, if you look at an old video. Anyway, so let's see where, okay, so I started. I painted this wall. It's, the color is called Spring Thaw, or Winter, no, not Spring Thaw, Winter Thaw, Spring Thaw. Anyway, so then this wall I painted, and these I don't know what they call these. These iron birds. These are cast iron. They used to belong to my mom, and I attached this greenery that I found from the Dollar Tree, and so sorry you guys. I was going for that kind of look there. So, but the cool thing is these, shoot, come on. Hold on, I'm trying to get it to, oh, I can't. Okay, so, so I got these little lights from Walmart. They're like these LED discs. So at night, I put them up here, see, and then I'm trying to, I don't know how it got so magnified, but it won't revert back to the regular. Anyway, I want to show you this. So at night, it looks real pretty at night. Okay, so then this used to be a gold mirror, and I spray painted it, and then I added this this trim.